keep this leg straight, hold it there, right, stop me pushing down, 3, 2, 1, push up, good, there you go. Let's check left one here, hold it, push up, 3, 2, 1, good. Hold the leg there, stop me coming in, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And this one here, hold it there, stop me coming in, 3, 2, 1. Okay. 1. Okay, come on to your side, face me this way. Yeah. Let me get your arms there. First one there, first one. Okay. Relax. Let that go. A little bit more. Good. Lay on your back again. Hold the leg there. Stop me coming in. 3, 2, 1. Push out. Good. Right. Bend the knee. Bend the knee. Hold it there. You push up. I push down. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Good. This one here. Hold it there, push up. Good. Lift this foot here, hold it in that position, stop me coming down. 3, 2, 1. Good. Now turn the foot in, stop me coming out. 3, 2, 1. Good. This one here, start up, push up. Good. Now turn the foot in, stop me. Do that again, hold it there, stop me coming out. Okay. This on. Yes. There. So.
What name was?
I've got the chair. Lay on your back. Bring this foot in. Stop me bring it out. Go again. Good. Now lay face down for me, Mum. Keep this leg straight, lift it up. Hold the leg there, push up. Good, relax. Right leg, lift it up. Hold it there, push up. Good, hold on. Bend this knee here. Hold it there, stop me coming down. Good, let that go. This one here. Hold it there, stop me coming down. Good, relax. Relax this right shoulder here. And then lay on your back again, Mum. Okay. Bend both knees. Good. Now give yourself a hug. Drop both legs down.
First on?
No, just rest.
Okay.
Deep breath in. And out. 2 more. And again. Good job.